Today is December 28th, and baby number 1 is 10 days old, and babies 2 and 3 are 9 days old. It's in the afternoon right now, and the parents are taking a break from the babies. If we look inside the box, you could see fat, happy baby sleeping. And what I find peculiar today is looking at the babies. The white one has its wings out, cupping the 2 yellow ones. I thought that was kind of peculiar. The baby with the splint looks like the one on the left there, sleeping, and the other one on the right. I'm gonna pull out the babies and check them, make sure everything's okay, and I can see a pile in the background corner that I'm going to need to clean out this box today. It's getting pretty messy in there, so I'll continue videotaping and show you what the baby number 3 looks like today and change his bandage.